Today's videos will cover common mistakes that migrants make when applying for indefinite leave to remain or British citizenship in the UK. Before we dwell into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at EY Solicitors. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you. Number one is calculating absences incorrectly. Settlement applicants cannot have absences from the UK longer than a certain number of days. Otherwise, they have deemed to have broken their continuous lawful residence in the UK. Now, this amount of absences depend on specific application. In our experience, applicants often will not have their flight records with them and so will enter in the dates incorrectly or forget certain absences, which could potentially lead to a refusal. Applicants may also not realize that the calculated absences, they don't need to count the days they return to the UK and the day they leave the UK as absences. This will reduce the number of days that they have been absent from the UK. You may be able to justify overly long absences through genuine reason with corroborating evidence such as pandemic, bereavement, or any other compelling or compassionate circumstances. Number two, very importantly, not declaring all offences. Applicants for naturalization and ILR may not realize that they must declare every criminal offence on their application form. Often, applicants will not realize that a less serious offence like driving offence must be declared at the application form. Their application can be refused if they don't do so. So, applicant may be refused normally under general grounds of refusal for a serious offences, whereas smaller offences that happen in the past are like fines, normal fines, they must be declared without fail. Number three is providing incorrect supporting documents. So the ILR and citizenship application require a variety of supporting documents. For some of these, it may not be clear what exactly you must provide. For example, the ones to prove cohabitation with a spouse, just provide the supporting documents. Applicants may not provide a cover letter if they are applying without a legal representative. A cover letter can greatly help you to make it clear to the Home Office that you have met the requirements of your application. Based on our experience, at times applicants may also provide unclear copies of their documents that may not be legible. So please ensure you provide legible copies of your documents at the time of application. Number four is application form mistakes. Very standard application forms can be with long questions that are not worded clearly. It's easy to make an innocent mistake that could potentially lead to refusal of your application. You may also choose the wrong form, especially with the ILR, as there are several different types of applications. The fifth one is not passing the English language requirement of life in the UK test. So ILR and citizenship application require English language requirement at B1 level. It can be shown with an English language test, which should be secure English language test, or a degree that was taught in English. Even if the applicants have lived here for several years, they may not have the technical knowledge of passing the English language test at B1 level. And life in the UK test is also a requirement for ILR and naturalization application. The life in the UK test requires a lot of preparation as it has very specific question about the UK history and the UK culture. So in today's video, we have covered 5 common mistakes that candidates make in their ILR or citizenship applications. At EY Solicitors, we help a lot of applicants to settle in the UK and get their British passport. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us on the number that is on your screen or complete a short inquiry form that is in the description section below now. And thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to our channel for anything to do with UK immigration.